Cavalier family. Next, I'd like to share with you another of my personal favorites, a Pisco Sour. This was originally created in the 1920s in Lima, and Pisco is a Peruvian brandy. It is so loved by the people that it is their national beverage, and it's also the national beverage of Chile, and both countries have a national Pisco holiday. So we will venture down to South America with this one. In order to make a Pisco Sour, you will need 2 ounces of Pisco, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, simple syrup, about ½ ounce, and also an egg white. We'll be garnishing with bitters. To make this drink, you will add all of those ingredients to your mixer, starting with the Pisco. So to get 2 ounces, we fill the shot glass 2/3 full once, and 2/3 full twice. Once and twice. And then the juice of an entire lime that will yield about 1 ounce. So the first half. It's important that you get a proper amount of lime juice into the mixture because it is the acid in the lime that will essentially cook the egg while we're shaking it. The acid will act as that catalyst, similar to what you would experience with a fish ceviche. All right, next we'll do ½ ounce of simple syrup, just under half there, and then 1 egg white. You could add the ice now, but I've read that you can have more success with a dry shake, which means shaking all of the ingredients prior to adding your ice. Then we'll add the ice afterward and shake it a little bit more. I'm gonna shake for about a minute. Wish me luck. Now that I've shaken this, we are going to add the ice and give it another little shake again. You want enough ice for your cup or glass. It will be served in a rocks glass. It could be served up in a Nick and Nora glass, I believe they call it, but I have a rocks glass, so that's what we're using today. All right, so my shaker is nice and chilled on the outside with the ice, and we'll see if I did enough shaking. All right, we have some good foam there. This will start to separate as we leave it. And as I mentioned, we are looking for about ½ an inch of foam on top. And then we garnish with bitters. Angostura bitters are the most common here in the States. Of course, if you could get something from Peru, that would be the most authentic, but quite difficult to come by. And if you want to be super fancy, many bartenders would add a little bit of, think of it as latte art, swirling and making a pattern out of your bitters drops. And there you have it. You can start to see a bit of separation already. Salud!